Yun, it's pretty. So, tapos na kami sa Warner Bros. Dito naman kami sa Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Yeah. We go there without booking. Cloakroom to check. Yes, right? Yes, please. Marami nang nagbago simula nung last visit ko dito sa Abu Dhabi sa Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Kasi noon directly binababa na kami doon sa pinaka parang main mosque. Ngayon meron nang nagbago, meron nang parang magre-register ka muna doon sa baba, tapos magpapalit doon sa mga babaeng hindi na babae, sa mga babaeng kailangan mag-cover ng buhok, tapos maglalakad ka malayo. Ayan na si Dr. Aman.
Are you supposed to on the camera, no?
That's okay. From there only, yeah. And camera are not allowed sa may entrance, pero pwede na dito sa loob. Malayo pa rin.
It's a good experience, huh?
Yes.
Good experience.
First time here?
First time here. Absolutely first time here.
Now we're going up?
Now it's going to be a little narrow escalator. Well, it was quite very open before. But inshallah, we'll be able to reach shortly.
It's up. Going up na. Grabe car. Sa pataas. Yes. Welcome to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Grand Mosque. Yeah, we can take photographs here. See? First time kong makapunta ng gabi dito sa Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Usually, pag nagpupunta ako ng Abu Dhabi, morning and afternoon lang naabutan ko. So, ngayon, kasi nag Warner Bros pa kami. So, ayan. Grand Mosque. Sheikh Zayed. Loob. Here comes the visitors. Welcome, welcome, welcome again.
See, again he's saying that.
Hmm?
He's again calling it Taj Mahal.
Nakapunta na akong Taj Mahal at isa rin siyang sacred place. Napakaganda pero mas maluwang ang Taj Mahal. Pag i-compare mo yung pinaka land area niya, mas maluwang pa rin ang Taj Mahal.
It's a very simple stone which is this. That one is fully engraved, right?
Hmm.